There are many steering wheel lock products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best steering wheel locks from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Teflafy Steering Wheel Lock. Rating 4.5. The steering wheel lock secures your steering wheel and is difficult to turn, making it difficult for thieves to turn the steering wheel, and also unable to use the seat belt. Highly visible colors and sturdy car anti-theft devices are a great deterrent, which annoys a thief trying to steal a car, so he will stay away from your vehicle. Quality materials make this a more durable car lock. The steering wheel lock anti-theft device is made of high-strength braided steel wire, 5 mm thicker than others, and can withstand high tensile and shear forces, giving it greater strength and flexibility. The anti-theft steering wheel lock is designed with a steering wheel and seat belt connection that can be installed in seconds, allowing you to easily lock the steering wheel and seat. Number 4. Teflafy Universal Wheel Lock. Rating 4.5. The wheel clamp lock body is made of high-strength steel plate, crescent-shaped lock cylinder. Compared to another general lock cylinder, it's an anti-theft performance that is stronger. The surface of the clamp is soft-coated, which will not damage your car wheel. The bright yellow and red color of the car boot is a fine choice for maximum visibility in both day and night. The trailer wheel lock greatly reduces the possibility of being targeted by thieves and protects your car's security effectively. Open the wheel lock and install it on your trailer wheel. Adjust it to the appropriate hole and push the lock cylinder. Unlock and remove the device with the key also quickly. Number 3. Car Wheel Lock Anti-Theft. Rating 4.6. The steering wheel lock adopts the humanized design of 4 locking hooks and twin bars, which can be locked on the steering wheel more firmly and with a sense of security. The car theft prevention device is easy to use, install and remove. It's simple to lock and unlock with keys in seconds. The car wheel lock is made of all wool and yard white alloy steel, and the solid locking bar is stronger. The precise double spring crescent lock subtype encoding key is specially designed to prevent professional thieves and mutual open rate. The overall body of the anti-theft steering wheel lock is treated with a plastic dipping process that will not damage your steering wheel. Number 2. Teflafy Steering Lock. Rating 4.6. Package with a protective cover to avoid accidental damage to the glass. Using it to prevent the occurrence of violence is the original intention of our design. A metal car safety escape tool to help prevent automotive entrapment and smash the window for safety escape. Your life may depend on this car hammer, made of high-quality round steel and premium aluminum alloy to resist prying, sawing, hammering, and freon attacks. The precise double spring crescent lock subtype encoding key is specially designed to prevent professional thieves and mutual open rate. Our lock has this robust physical and highly visual deterrent to car thieves, and is recommended by policemen and car experts. Number 1. Kick Steering Wheel Lock. Rating 5.0. The steering wheel lock anti-theft device adopts the design of 4 locking hooks and twin bars, which can give you double assurance. The car anti-theft device is easy to use, install and remove. High-quality steel and aluminum make the car wheel lock stronger. The double spring crescent lock subtype encoding key is specially designed to prevent professional thieves. The bright yellow is designed for maximum visibility day and night. The anti-theft steering wheel lock is treated with a plastic dipping process that will not damage your steering wheel. The universal anti-theft steering wheel lock can be adjusted to fit steering wheels with an inner diameter between 5.1 and -12.5 for sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, vans, trucks, etc. Our products have been entitled to, and our brand offers an excellent after-sales service. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.